Hi everybody, it's me Tess with Tess Loves Yarn, and you guys, I am here today with another Mary Maxim unboxing. So we are gonna open this together and find out what Mary Maxim is sending us this month, which is, I believe, October. I think this is supposed to be October's kit. Okay. Woo. Trying to get this thing open, you guys. How is everybody today? Hope you guys are good. Yeah. We have had some crazy weather, haven't we? If you live in the Midwest, anyway. Okay, you guys, we got this open. Let's see what it is. Let's see. Ugh. Alrighty. What do we have here? Colorful tote and iPad tablet cover. Oh, you're kidding me. Look at this. You see that picture, you guys? What does this almost look like? Almost looks like, the bag I made last week that I did a tutorial on. If you guys missed this tutorial, it's like, I think it's 2 videos down from this one. So there you go, tutorial start to finish, easy peasy. Go look at that, because look at this, so close to it, except it has crochet handles. Oh, and it has a plastic base for the bottom of the bag. And for my bag, I used one of these faux leather purse bases that I got on Amazon. They're pretty inexpensive. They come with holes already in them, and you just crochet through the holes. I mean, it's pretty darn easy. But let's see what Mary Maxim wants us to do to make this bag. Yeah. Okay, let's see. And you know what, you guys? I'm interested to know if we can still get this yarn, or is it going to be discontinued like so many other yarns that come in our Mary Maxim kits. So that's another thing we have to look at. So this is that plastic canvas stuff that, I mean, the holes in here are tiny. So I don't know if you're probably not crocheting through this. You're probably just setting it down in the base of your purse for to give it like some structure at the bottom. I'm not sure. I'll have to check when I open this. Ugh. Okay, so the yarn is actually really pretty, you guys. This is Gemstone Yarn by Red Heart. There's 312 yards in this ball of yarn, 312 yards. So that would be 936 yards of yarn. 936 yards. That's a lot of yarn. You could make something with this if you decided not to do the purse and the tablet, what do they call it? Tablet cover. Yeah, you can make something totally different with that. You know, nothing says you got to make the pattern that comes with it, right? So this gemstone yarn calls for 6mm crochet hook and a 6mm knitting needle if you're a knitter. It is also machine washable. Sorry, you guys, I got the sniffles here. Ugh. It's machine wash cold, gentle cycle, and it's tumble dry on low. And of course, do not iron it. Ugh. Y'all know how I feel about ironing yarn. Unless it's like 100% cotton yarn. Just don't do it. Don't do it. All right. Okay. This yarn is a bulky 5-weight yarn. Okay. And the colorway I have is called Fluorite. Fluorite. You guys, that is super pretty. Look at that. Super pretty. And it's a bulky 5. You could make, that's what I used to make this, is a bulky 5. So you could definitely use this to make, you know, any kind of bag you want. Let me see. Oh, that's super soft, everybody. Super soft. Look at that colorway. Isn't that gorgeous, you guys? Ooh, pretty fall color. This colorway is called Fluorite. Fluorite. Let me know if you got the Mary Maxim kit. Let me know what colorway you got. Okay? Fluorite. And you guys, I have Mary Maxim up on my computer here. Let's type in red heart gemstone yarn and see what pops up on Mary Maxim's website. Oh, you guys, guess what? No red heart gemstone yarn on the whole Mary Maxim website. What y'all think that means? I bet this has been discontinued. Ugh. Okay. So, Red Heart is made by Yarnspirations. So, let's go to Yarnspirations here and see if Yarnspirations actually sells it. Because you know what? And listen to me, Mary, if you're watching, you know, why do you send us yarn that's discontinued when, you know, this could be like a selling opportunity for you? You give us 3 balls, but hey, what if we like it so much we want to do a cardigan out of it and we need more balls of yarn? We could go right back to you and buy more if you would give us yarn that wasn't discontinued. Yeah. Marketing 101, y'all. Don't ask me. Just don't ask me. Okay, here's Yarnspirations. Let's put Red Heart gemstone yarn in here and see if they even make it anymore. I would not be surprised if they don't. Let me see. Red Heart gemstone yarn. Okay. What is this? Red Heart gemstone yarns. Okay, no surprise, y'all. It's been discontinued. However, Yarnspirations still has let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 colorways left. 4. And it's 20% off. It's normally $10 a ball. It's $8 a ball right now. And the colorways they have left are Onyx, Agate, emerald, and citron. Okay, and actually this yarn is really pretty, and you guys, it's soft. It's soft yarn. I don't understand, I don't know why they've discontinued this. Yeah, let me see. Oh, emerald is really pretty too. Oh, so is agate. That's pretty. That's even better fall colors. I wish you could see my computer monitor because it's real pretty. This I think is actually the prettiest though. And look at these fall colors. There's like a deep forest green, there's brown, there's like a sapphire blue, there's a black, and then there's like a burgundy. See that burgundy hiding underneath there? It's super pretty, you guys. Super pretty. I actually think I got one of the prettiest colors right here. I mean, I'm not mad about this that it's discontinued because I got such a pretty darn color. And I did get 3 balls of it, 936 yards. That is definitely enough for me to make something out of, even if I don't want to make this, which I don't, because I actually prefer my own bag tutorial. The one I make all the time. So I prefer that. So I don't even know if I want to use this to make a bag. I might use this to make a wearable, like a shawl or something like that, because look at the pretty fall colors. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's crazy. Let's look at this pattern, you guys. Let me see. Colorful tote and iPad tablet cover. The tote base is 5 inches by 12.5 inches. The finished size of the bag is 15 inches by 11 inches. For all of you that live anywhere other than the US, that's 38 centimeters by 28 centimeters. And it is 12.5 centimeters wide. Yeah, so the finished is 15 inches by 11 inches if you live here. That's pretty, a pretty good sized bag, actually, pretty big. So yeah, I'm not keen on like these crocheted handles. There's just like not enough substance there for me. I mean, I prefer sewing these handles on and having like a real handle, but that's me. I mean, you might get this kit and you might be tickled pink with the pattern. I'm tickled pink with the yarn. Not so much the pattern, but I love the yarn. The yarn is, I mean, that's gorgeous. Gorgeous. Yeah. So no, I'm like disappointed, yeah, that it's discontinued and I can't buy any more of this particular colorway. And I'm assuming once Yarnspirations sells out of these other 4 colorways that are left, there won't be any more gemstone. It'll be gone unless somebody has a stash of it that you can buy it from. Yeah. So once again, Mary Maxim, girlfriend, what you doing? Yeah, not good marketing. We might love this yarn and want to buy more from you. You're missing an opportunity. Ugh, what do you guys think? That's what I think. All right. Did we talk about the pattern at all? We really didn't because I don't care for it. But let me just tell you if I think it's an easy pattern or not, you guys. Let me look. Okay, stitches. All very easy stitches. Single crochet, half double crochet, double crochet. Well, you guys, you can't get much easier than that, right? Let's see. Oh, they do have a half double crochet two together. And they also have a back post half double crochet. That's where you just yarn over, you insert your hook around the post of the stitch from the front to the back. And you draw up your loop, you yarn over, and you draw through all the loops on your hook. It's really easy. So if you need to know how to do that, there's a ton of YouTube videos that show you how to do those kind of stitches. So just Google it, it'll pop up. All right. Pattern is, I would say, pretty darn easy to do. It's calling for a crochet hook size of a 4mm and a 5mm. I would use a 5mm for a bulky 5 when doing a bag, because you want your stitches to be super tight like that, so that you don't have to line this. Like, I didn't line this. Look, it's not lined. See, nothing's gonna poke through that. That is like really dense, you know, tight stitches, because it's a bulky yarn and I used a 5mm hook on it. All right, so anyway, you guys, that is the Mary Maxim kit. Yeah, see, the yarn actually calls for 6mm hook. I went down a whole size to a 5mm, so that's why my stitches are tighter. You know, it's up to you. You can go down even smaller, make your stitches even tighter. Yeah, it's up to you, right? What you're comfortable with. But anyway, with all that said, I just want to say, hey, if you're new here, I would be tickled pink if you'd hit that subscribe button. It is absolutely free for you and it helps my channel tremendously. If you are a returning subscriber or a private channel member, you guys know I love you. I love all my yarny friends, and I am so grateful that you are here and that you guys support me week after week by watching my videos and just being here for me. So thank you, everybody. Mwah. You guys are awesome and amazing. In the comment section below, leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this month's kit. Let me know if you got the kit and what colorway you got, or what you think about the yarn. Are you mad that it's discontinued, or are you okay because you got some pretty yarn? I don't know. This yarn is $8 a ball on sale right now, which is $24. And I paid a little bit less than that. So I still got a good deal, right? Even though the pattern is not for me. But if the pattern is for you, you got an even better deal, right? So you know what? It's all good. It's all good. Yeah. Okay, you guys, that's it. You know what's next? Be kind and be safe out there in the world, no matter where you are. And you guys, I will be back next week with a Christmas tutorial video. Woohoo! I can't wait. It's going to be awesome. So I will see you all next week. All right? Bye, everybody.